Sequencing. This is what we learned about on Friday. This is where we're putting things in order. We want to make sure that that order makes sense. So the order in which it occurred, or the order in which it happened. We're used to first, next, then, finally. But in fourth grade, we are going to increase our vocabulary. I know Mrs. Miranda will be very happy about that. And we're going to turn those simple transitional words into more complex transitional words. So some synonyms for the word first are initially, which sounds so much better than just saying first. To begin, in the beginning, before, and as soon as. Our synonyms for the word next are then, later, after that, meanwhile, I love that one, and also. And then our synonym for the transitional word finally is, the synonyms are afterward, eventually, in conclusion. It's a great one. Last and all in all. I like that one a lot too. So when you read these transitional words and phrases, you automatically know that we are sequencing. Now we are going to look at this informational text in order to determine the sequence. Tsunami survivor. On December 26, 2004, an earthquake under the Indian Ocean caused a terrifying tsunami. Ari Afarazal was building a house when a 30-foot high wall of water crashed over him. Soon after, we have our transition phrase there, soon after, he was swept out to sea. For an hour, he managed to stay afloat. Then, he grabbed hold of a wooden plank. The next day, another transition phrase along with then, he climbed aboard a leaky fishing boat. On the boat, Ari ate coconuts that floated by and watched the shark fins circle around him. Finally, Ari was rescued by a passing ship. He had survived for an amazing 15 days. That is an insane story. I could not even imagine being in that situation, let alone surviving. So here we are told in sequence, in order, what happened to Ari from beginning to end, which I'm pretty sure was a terrifying experience. But if it was told out of order, it would not have made sense. So that's why sequencing is important. So on the next slide, you are going to put the events in their correct sequence.